Hey there, McAllister here with Toasty DIY, and today we're going to be taking a look at something we just added to our Let's Play set. So if you follow the videos that we do, you know that we have like a Let's Play setup where Matt and Jackson will sit at their computer, or the new computer they're benchmarking, and then behind them is like all those pictures and whatnot. Well, recently we redid that wall, and now we've got these grass hedges. So I'm going to show you where we got those. These fake grass hedges, you can see them boom, right here. So these fake grass little hedge things, and then I'm going to show you how we got that sign you saw lit up right there. So let's go ahead and take a look at that and talk about it. So we may have to be quiet because Matt is doing, I think, a voiceover. Let's find out. Are you still doing a voiceover? No, I'm not. You're not? Okay, well, we're just going to be taking a look at the Great Wall of Plastic smell.
Is the smell just like, am I becoming nose blind, or is the smell still here?
Smell's still here.
Okay,
You're
I
nose
think
blind.
I'm becoming nose blind to it, but
Yeah, no, good for you. You know what? I'm good.
Yeah, this is the artificial plastic that may end up killing us one day.
I'm gonna get microfiber real quick. I think I'm getting a little smudge. Now you should be cleaned up. Look at that, look at you. Yeah, that was a lot better. So this is the sign we had made, and I'll put the website link up right here. We got these off Amazon, these tiles, and I think one tile, they're about 20 inches across. I believe that's right, yeah, a little bit more than a foot.
Sure, yeah, sounds right.
Yeah, sounds right. It's hard to get a good definitive thing on the tiles, because the nice thing is once you get them side by side, you can press these things together to make it really, you know, we have little gaps right here, but they even come with small bags. I don't think we have one sitting around of these little leaves, and you can take those and press them in there to do that. But this is the new Let's Play setup. The framing will be something like this when they're in shot, and boom, that's what they're playing on. The desk will be lowered likely, or the camera will be closer, like so. But other than that, you might see this appear, because I think this might work as a small little DIY set. I don't know if I showed you this, Matt. I think the framing works nicely for something like, let's see if it works. I thought it worked nice with this, so the idea would be probably moving this over whenever you film something here. But if you have a DIY or like you need a small talking spot,
That works.
thought this would be dope. So yeah, so I'll go ahead and leave the links down below for where we got this sign. So this one is their, I believe, medium size. They do small, medium, large, and like extra large. And this one across, I'd say is probably a good like 2.5 feet. The gap below is a little bit larger than we thought it was gonna be. We did ask them to cut to letters. You'll notice it goes around here, but you can ask for different types of plating and whatnot. But this one here, I believe, was like $198. So under $200 for a custom sign. You get to pick the font and the color, and it comes with our remote dimmer. This is our dimmer little thing, so we'll see how this works. Oh, so I tap, it's capacitive. It seems like, weird. No wonder options here. I just want max brightness. Pixel. Oh,
The downside is it's capacitive, so you barely touch it and it actually turns strobing.
No, it was me trying to fix it, so yeah. I thought it clicked.
As he says, me trying to fix it.
Shush. Yeah, I did make sure it still worked. Sorry, I was not saying a word. So there you have it. That was the new DIY set. So I'll go ahead and leave a link for you all in the description below of where we got the little hedge cube things, and then where we got the actual LED neon sign. So clearly that wasn't neon. It's LED neon, so it's a lot cheaper, but looks really nice. Once it's turned on, it's pretty hard to tell, you know, especially from a distance, and on camera, it'll work fine. You don't see as much of that clear, like acrylic. But other than that, that's all. If you have any questions, leave them down below. But otherwise, thanks. Peace.